By the end of this video, I promise you will be able to recognize Arabic sounds like ba, ta, tha. Understand and pronounce the short vowels, harakat. Hear the difference between similar sounds. Match each sound with its correct letter. Say the letters clearly and confidently. And compare Arabic sounds to those in your own language. So now, what are harakat? Harakat are small marks that go above or below Arabic letters. They help us know how to pronounce the letter, just like vowel sounds in English. Without harakat, it can be hard to read Arabic, especially for beginners. The first mark is called fatha. It's a small diagonal line above the letter. It sounds like ah, ah. The second mark is called kasra. It's a small diagonal line below the letter, and it sounds like I, I. The third one is called dhamma, and it's a small curl or loop above the letter, and it sounds like u, u. And the last one is called sukun. It's a small circle above the letter, and it means there is no vowel sound. Now let's apply the 4 short vowel marks to the Arabic letters to hear how each haraka changes the sound. I will organize the letters by where each sound is produced, starting from the throat, then moving to the tongue and lips, and so on. Throat letters: a, u, i, ha, hu, hi, ha, hu, hi, kha, khu, khi, gha, ru, ri, a, u, i. Uvular letters: ka, ku, ki, qa, qu, qi. Palatal letters: ja, ju, ji, sha, shu, shi, da, du, di. Tongue tip letters: sa, su, si, sa, su, si, za, zu, zi. Dental ridge letters: ta, tu, ti, da, du, di, ta, tu, ti. Gum letters: va, vu, vi, tha, thu, thi, tha, thu, vi. Tongue edge letters: ra, ru, ri, na, nu, ni, la, lu, li. Lip letters: fa, fu, fi, pa, po, pi, ma, mu, mi. Cavity letters: a, u, i, wa, wu, wi, ya, yu, yi. Now you might be wondering, why are harakat important? Actually, when we add harakat to letters, we can read Arabic words the right way. Even a small haraka can completely change a word's meaning. That's why it's so important to practice again and again with focus and care. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel when reading and speaking Arabic. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Your like and subscribe mean a lot to me. They really help support this channel and keep it going. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Salam.